Hello everyone, it's Esosa here. Today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious plantain pudding right here. For this recipe you need overripe plantain. So I'm going to peel the plantain and dice it into smaller bits. These are all the ingredients for this recipe. I've got red bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, some crayfish, two cups of plantain flour, pour the butter into a bowl. Whisk until well combined. First, I will add some bouillon cube. Add some salt. Add about 2 tablespoons of water. Half a cup of palm oil. You can add fish if you want. Personally, I love my plantain pudding plain. I know some of you are wondering why I placed aluminum containers into the pot. I did that because I did not want excess water to go into the plantain pudding. Hence, I placed aluminum cup first, and then I will now place my plantain pudding on top. So I'm going to wrap using banana leaf. So guys, I ran out of banana leaf, hence I used kitchen foil. After cooking for 45 minutes, guys, my plantain pudding is ready. Trust me when I tell you, this right here tasted amazing, like amazing. Please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. And thank you guys for subscribing, okay? Thank you. Bye.